So the best way to play the AI boom, at least one of the best ways, is through Nvidia. However, in recent weeks, Nvidia has struggled to claim victory at this $150 level. So that's a massive resistance or ceiling. But you got to put things into perspective. Since 2022, prices is up 1,300%. And since January of this year, prices are up 200%. So let that sink in a little bit. Price pausing at current levels is warranted based on the huge move higher. Now, I do want to point some things out on the monthly chart. You do see some rejection wicks for the last couple of months. Now, before we continue with the analysis and look at price action on the daily chart, see if there's any entries to get long. Question is, where's Nvidia going to be in 10 years from now? So, had you put in $1,000 10 years ago, you'll be up 27,000%, meaning that $1,000 return is equivalent to $267,000 today. Past returns, however, don't guarantee future results. Now, where did it all begin? Nvidia core business has always been designing and selling GPUs. Hopefully many out there know that they do not make their own chips. They outsource that. This tech proved crucial in rendering video game graphics, helping Nvidia dominate the custom PC and gaming laptop markets in the early 2000s. Then they kind of reinvented themselves. And I don't want to say reinvent, but they found another market, and that was Bitcoin, which was launched in 2009. GPUs found another use case in cryptocurrency mining, leading to Nvidia's second boom cycle. At the time, many blockchains used GPUs, computing power, to validate their networks and mint more coins in the process called proof of work. Now, video gaming and crypto mining hardware are both represented in Nvidia's gaming segment, which posted third quarter sales of just $3.3 billion. However, it's the Gen AI boom that's caused price to skyrocket in recent years. Now, Nvidia's market dominance will naturally encourage customers to replace its products wherever possible. While Nvidia seems to be able to keep direct competition at bay, it can't stop hyperscaler clients like Alphabet and Amazon from designing their own custom chips, or simply holding on to their old Nvidia hardware instead of upgrading to the latest models each year. Now, it's worth noting Nvidia's third quarter operating income soared 174% to $18.6 billion, and its forward price to earnings ratio of just 33 seems quite low compared to its growth rate, suggesting a possible slowdown in earnings growth may already be partially priced in. That said, Nvidia's market cap is $3.5 trillion. It's the second largest company in the world. So things may be different in the next 10 years. Right? It's the laws of numbers. Or as Sir Isaac Newton said, Newton's second law of motion states that the larger an object is, the more force is needed to move. Nevertheless, we're still in the early stages of Gen AI. And yes, although price and the market cap it is at 3.5 trillion, there's still opportunities. Maybe not 16, 20, 30x. All right, so this is the weekly chart, and this was a beautiful, beautiful setup. Had a rallying price, base and candles, rally out, price breaking what was all-time highs once upon a time. Price collapse, dips its toes in the zone, and then pulls higher for the next impulse move. Now, let's scroll down to the daily chart, and you have two levels, two ranges to play. You can short at 150, you can buy at 130-ish. Why? Well, that's where you had some resistance, which now is support. We had earnings late November, so the next earnings is in 75 days from now. And so I would anticipate price continuing to just kind of hang out in this zone. But if you believe in Nvidia still longer term, you can start dollar cost averaging near, as the chart are suggesting, near that $130 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.